You're an ambitious person. You have big dreams and a clear vision of the successful life you want to live. But there's one major obstacle in your way: laziness. You know what needs to be done, but you don't do it. And that gap between knowing and doing fills with guilt. A voice inside reminds you, you're capable of so much more. As time passes, days, weeks, months, this guilt slowly turns into resignation. Then a new year arrives. With a fresh calendar and the same old goals, you begin again, full of energy and motivated, and maybe a little self-delusion. But then it sneaks in again: procrastination. It doesn't announce itself. It just shows up, like that one relative who always comes uninvited. And before you realize it, you're stuck in the same cycle of avoidance. Eventually, you label yourself just a lazy person. So, how do we escape this loop and truly overcome procrastination? There are countless videos and articles online, but most only offer surface-level solutions. Delete your apps, reduce distractions, lock your phone. Helpful in the short term, but they don't touch the core problem. The real culprit? Inertia. In physics, inertia is the tendency of objects to remain in their current state, at rest or in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. This is Newton's first law of motion, and it applies to our habits as well. Starting a task, no matter how small, requires that initial burst of energy to overcome inertia. But we tend to overestimate that first step. We imagine it's too big, too hard, too much, and so we avoid it. Instead, we choose easier dopamine-fueled distractions. To break procrastination, you must first break inertia. Here are two effective methods. Lower the bar. Don't tell yourself, I need to finish the entire project. Instead, say, I'll work on it for just a few minutes. Instead of writing 10,000 words, start with 40. This makes the first step so small that resistance fades. You begin without relying on willpower. The 2-minute rule. If you don't feel like doing something, commit to just 2 minutes. That's all. 2 minutes. Clean your room while one song plays. Write until your timer goes off. And here's the trick. You'll usually continue longer than expected. Because once you're in motion, it's easier to stay in motion. At the beginning, it might feel like pushing a heavy object uphill. But once you get going, momentum takes over, and it gets easier from there. So keep it simple. Take a small, easy step. Just 2 minutes. You can use these methods for anything. Going to the gym, working on your side project, reaching out to a friend, or building any habit. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step.